சொன்னாங்கல கேஸ் போடுறதுனா போட்டுக்கோ அப்படினாங்கல
புரியல உங்களுக்கு என்ன பிரச்சனை
நான் பண்றது தப்பு
18% பண்ணி தரேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு அப்புறம் 20% வாங்குனீங்கன்னா புரியாத சொல்றீங்க நீங்க உங்க டார்கெட் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணா என்ன சொல்றீங்க என்ன யார் எப்ப
அந்த மேடம் பேர் என்னது அந்த மேடமும் உங்க பழைய மேனேஜர் ஒருத்தர் இல்ல கருப்பா குள்ளையா அவர்தான் சொன்னாங்க
Sir, take the loan now. We will reduce the interest rate later. The customer believed it. A few months later, the customer returned and asked about the promised reduction. The officer replied, "Did I ever give that in writing?" Funny to hear, but painful for thousands of borrowers who trusted verbal promises. Dear citizens, be careful. Many borrowers are persuaded with attractive statements such as, "Your interest rate will be reduced later. Your ME will become much lower. This is a special offer only for you. Transfer your existing loan and save more money." If these promises are not provided in writing, proving them later becomes extremely difficult. What does the law say? If a bank or its employees intentionally provide misleading information to convince a customer to take a loan, legal consequences may follow under Indian Contract Law to misrepresentation and fraud, Consumer Protection Law to unfair trade practices and deficiency in service, Criminal Law to if deliberate cheating and dishonest intention can be proven. Banking regulations and compliance rules to violations may attract disciplinary and regulatory action. What should victims do? Preserve WhatsApp messages, emails, SMS records, brochures, and call recordings. Submit a written complaint to the branch manager. Escalate the complaint through the bank's grievance redressal mechanism. If unresolved, approach the Reserve Bank of India complaint system. File a case before the Consumer Commission for compensation and damages. Can victims receive compensation? Yes, depending on the facts of the case, authorities may award compensation for financial losses, mental agony and hardship, litigation expenses, damages caused by unfair or misleading conduct. A simple legal lesson for everyone. I am not saying don't trust the bank officer. I am saying don't trust a promise that is not written down. Because a verbal promise may disappear tomorrow. A written promise can stand before the law. So the next time someone says, "Sir, trust me," politely reply, "Thank you, sir. Now please put it in writing." Final thought: one signature on a written commitment can protect you before taking a loan. 1,000 explanations after taking the loan may not. To ADV. V. Suganya Suresh Kumar, M.A., B.Ed. Al. B.